Kerry just a act off our emotions. And that's why we have to think it out before we make a certain move. Then that's why we run under harder, brother.
Yeah. But the harder not run good right now. It maker. The thing I get grimy right now, brother.
How I go on?
It's right, the man them put on their everything. Man them step up in the game, brother, and murder them at the end.
And that's the thing they know. I will get murdered.
So they know the paralegal woman. And she the man them slap her, you know, and the hitman style.
So nobody not see nobody.
No face, no trace.
Far as me here, people must say a 2-man pan a bike. Mass up. Come like it's a scene pan a movie, man, them go on it. You see me?
So you mean to tell me say them a thing you go on in the community? And no man can say nothing. And no man don't know which man them a make them move ya.
So it maker. I could do best not charge it. Suss out the boy them. Brawl him up, my friend.
Come like you know here, but nobody know how them, brother. And me I pray see you put you on them have no active. When me page them a say them know how I go on.
So you don't know, say, some of them little boy in a place a liar bad man. More time we have to go circle up the block and them a bring in man in a place, you know, charge it. We have to circle up the block and joke some of them in them face with the nozzle charge it. Make them squeal. And that me I tell you, brother.
No, Steffi, first time, we have to go agree with Vicious. We have to go run a program for them boy in a butcher.
That me I tell you. Be a badness.
It maker. I disagree with that. You know. I feel like right time to run the program right now, my friend. Next thing me I hear, police them are pre the community. It is member we are the man in the community. We are get pressure and them look about them.
As you said that, say, you know, so we have to go move the machine them and find a different load seat. You get to me, I say, Vicious?
That is it, man.
That's our first order of business right now. Because right now, we are here, the police they have a run in for we brother.
Yo, here we are going. See now hours in the dust up. We shift up them things there, yeah.
Yeah man, alright thing that. Because you know what puzzle me? I wonder how the police them reach over here. Like them a plan something.
My God. Yeah, jump so like your friend.
Jumpy like frog. Jumpy if you make boy body bag. Brother, what you do? You have to clear your throat. Clear your throat from around that's a bad man.
Vicious, the man connect already, brother. I tell you, you have to walk with that when you come round yourself.
Brother, he is hard like a stubborn picking, you know, brother. But just I tell you, say black hard.
So now that's why I'm strapped.
You know, say if the boy them hold you with that though, and you are going to your body back. And the whole of crime we are going around yourself, you them are going to finish it.
Brother, the most hurtful thing, them catch him with that. All the weed that happened on this. Remember him on all the weed, brother.
Them call it guilty by association. So do the maths, I'm gonna put on that.
Brother, we don't take orders from you.
Just know say that I lock with the rest of them.
And we are going to check your yard too and make sure you're not nothing around there.
No chap.
So yo, squaddy, I pray.
No, you practice that thing there, brother. Remember, nobody nothing knows, say. You associate on that side, you see? But here we go on. Me have to start make some movie now and get in deep, see? Right now, my boss, have to make sure say them hold off the rest of the federal troops, see? Because we don't want them coming yet. And we don't have much time. So we need to get moving.
That's why the man them reach over here, you know.
Yeah. No, them working now. Them just want to hear say a pin job. And them swarm over here.
You are going. You know, say machine them on the ground for protection, see? But you see for now, everything I feel like you understand my language, brother?
Brother, me not under nothing. Stand na language.
Vicious. Listen more and talk less.